Dreaming of a fully funded master's degree in the UK? Here's how you, as a Pakistani student or professional, can apply for the prestigious Chevening Scholarship 2026 to 2027. Chevening is a fully funded UK government scholarship for future leaders. You will study a one-year master's degree at a top UK university, with everything paid for. You get tuition, flights, monthly stipend, visa fees, and even allowances for arrival and departure. All you need to do is study, lead, and grow. To apply, you must be a Pakistani citizen, commit to returning to Pakistan for 2 years, and have at least 2,800 hours of post-graduation work experience. Applications open August 5th and close October 7th, 2025. Interviews take place early next year, and final results come out in June 2026. To apply, head to chevening.org, choose Pakistan, and click on Apply Today to start your journey. Next, register with your email and phone number. You'll receive a verification link to access the application system. You'll go through a quick eligibility checker. If you qualify, you'll get an email and a unique access code to continue your application. Now complete the application. Add personal info, past education, and up to 15 work experiences. Choose 3 UK master's programs and write 4 powerful essays. Write honestly about your leadership, networking skills, course motivation, and future plans. Don't copy. Chevening uses AI detection tools. Save your progress often. If you're inactive for 15 minutes, you'll be logged out. Review every section and submit before October 7th. 5 final tips for my fellow Pakistanis. Start early, share your story, connect with Chevening alumni, focus on long-term impact, and be authentic. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and share this with someone who dreams of studying in the UK. The Chevening journey starts now. Best of luck, Pakistan.